This is your Nilight 6-gang switch panel. You can see here you can control your light bar. As you see here, I have the driver's side, the passenger side. That's for like your pods, your light pods. Then you have your underglow, your grill, whatever lights or whatever you want to actually hook up. It doesn't have to be lights. It could be different accessories for your vehicle. Okay, so you can see as I put my finger over here, the light goes off on that panel. So it has a little thing that keeps the light on so that you can actually see the panel in the dark. It just runs down, goes under there, and then here's a little switch right here, or a little connector I should say. You see that there? Then you can see here under the hood you have your fuses, and of course that goes over to your power source and your ground. So you have this here, and you have a little cover that goes right over that there. See, that's underneath your hood for your 6-gang switch. So there you have it, your Nilight 6-gang switch panel.